Welcome to episode 164 of Apartment Hacker. This is Mike Byrne, and Apartment Hacker is my mission to tease out human potential in the multifamily space. I hope everybody is having an awesome day, and as your week winds down and you get ready for the weekend, I hope you are looking forward to it. Today I want to talk about incremental fixes, because I think that this is something that trips up people in the multifamily space a lot of times. And incremental fixes, just as by way of example, and this will really resonate with service people out there in the multifamily space or maintenance side of the business. Let's say you walk up to a panel box in an apartment or on the side of a building, and you open it up and you see that there's a piece of wood in there that's holding a breaker on, right? Because it keeps tripping for whatever reason. And instead of going and finding the root cause of why that breaker is tripping, you just put a piece of wood in there so that it doesn't trip. And I can only imagine that many of you are like, oh my God, that's a fire hazard. Yes, that's fire hazard. Another example of an incremental fix, you have a tire that goes flat on your car and there's a plug system. You literally use a tool and you push a rubber grommeter piece into the tire and you pull it and it seals the tire for who knows how long until the plug falls out. But many people wouldn't go fix the tire. They would just simply drive until the plug fell out and the tire went flat again. And only when it got to the point, or it gets to the point that it is absolutely unbelievably painful, meaning we have a fire in a building or you have a blowout while you're going down the freeway, do you go and get the tire fixed? Or do you put a plan in place in your organization to make sure that people don't put wood sticks in panel boxes? Only when you have that kind of pain do you go and fix something. My call to action to you today is fix the root cause. Find the root cause and go about fixing that. Don't let it get to the point where it is ultimately so painful you have to do something. I think this especially rings true in the area of people. Now, this is the hardest conversation that you'll ever have in your multifamily career. If people or a person is the root cause of an issue in your organization, you have to go fix that. You have to fix that. It's the hardest work you will ever do, trust me. It's not easy to sit across from someone to let them know that they are not performing how you need them to perform, or that they are the ultimate cancer in your organization. That's hard work. And many times we want to displace it on HR. We want to displace it on this person or that person. You do it. You do it. It's hard work, and the only way you get better at it is if you go and do it. So my call to action to you today is that find root causes, even if it means there are people in your organization that you need to sit down and have tough conversations with, moments of truth conversations or courageous conversations. Do it today. Do it today. For all that you will become, and frankly, for all that person will become. Take care. We'll talk to you again tomorrow.